Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So your friend Kumar is back with a review of another college in Karnataka. It's called Malnad College of Engineering, MCE Hassan, and it is a quite decent option for the students who are looking for autonomous engineering college across Karnataka. So I'm going to cover the placements 2022 branch wise so that you have a full details. And this is the college address and the building. And those who don't know about this college is a very old and established college, started in 1960. So it is a joint, it's a autonomous college and a joint venture with government of Karnataka. So it's like a aided college also, and so provides for opportunity for studying at the lower fees, which is the aided course in different colleges of Karnataka, around 8 colleges, right? So location wise, this college is located around 180 kilometers from Bangalore and 170 kilometers from Mangalore. So it is part of the Hassan district, and it is also popular tourist place because it is surrounded by Belur, Helbed, Shravan Belagola, and those tourist places and places of the regional religion importance. So overall, if I would talk about the MCE Hassan, so they may have basically nine UG courses, BE programs, and six PG courses, which is MTech, MSc, and the overall campus is quite big and beautiful, 42 acres campus, and it has got a decent placement records, 5+100 students who got placed, and decent amount of library infrastructure as it's an old and established college. So these are some more pictures of the college, and it has got the hostel facilities for both and boys and girls, and a decent amount of sports facility in that 44 acres. So I will not cover those details. But coming to the courses part of, I mentioned nine courses. So all the good branches like computer science engineering, electronics, information science engineering, electrical electronics are there, and about the core branches like mechanical, civil, and electronics and instrumentation are also there. Now I will directly jump to the placement record, which is a very important topic for the students. So this, they say that they have a 74 multinational and the national companies which have visited, and I will show the company wise placement and the branch wise placement later in the video. And some of those campus recruitments are like Indian Navy, Amazon, the big companies like Amazon, JustPay, Deutsche Bank, DBS, and then Mahindra and Mahindra, and those are well-known names. And most among them is like Amazon, which has given 15 lakh package, and last year I think, and 580 eligible students were there, out of which 452 got placed, and with the average salary of 4.8 lakhs, and the placement percentage is 78%, which is given by the college, which is quite good, right? So these are, they said 17 logo are very esteemed recruiters, so the top recruiters, and you can see the names like IT companies, Accenture, Amazon, then your automobile company like Mercedes Benz, and multinational companies like IBM, Microsoft, Oracle, Infosys, Wipro, Huawei, ZTE, TCS, Tech Mahindra, Socialite General, and then WNS, Ericsson, and Indian companies like Bharat Electronics, which is a government of India company. Now directly jumping to the placements part of it. So this is the placement snapshot. If you see, it gives the company wise details, and there are 17 companies in this list. I'll read out for you. So it also gives the branch wise. The first column, second column is EC branch, then CS branch, IS branch, EI branch, EE branch, mechanical, automobile, IP, and civil, and then MCA column is there, MTech column, and the total column. So that is how it is structured. And the first company, Noises Software, has taken two students from computer science. That's a total two students. Robosoft, which has taken around 8 students, mix of EC, CS, and the other branches. And then Surya Software, 1 student. Then you also see Ecolite, one, and MBRDI, which is 17 students, which is nothing but a Mercedes Benz, right? And they have taken 17 students, quite good. And then you have Accenture, which has taken 32 students, so quite good placements. And then important company is Capgemini, you also see 24 students. Then you see Wipro also 15 students, TCS also 43 students, and HealthSyst, which is around 9 students, and IBM is also on the list. Global Logic also you see in this sheet, around 8 students. So if you see all many number of good recruiters are there, and if you see the highest number of students who got placed in this sheet particular in the CS branch, and ECE also looks good, and information science also is decent. Mechanical only few students, around 8 to 9 students you can see. Civil only 5 students here, and IP around 3 students in this sheet. Let's move forward. Now I am showing the companies from the row number 18 to 42, and the first company is Ectalanest, 5 students. Face, another 3 students. Happiest Mind is 5 students, sorry, 521 students. So this is a mass recruitment, and it is allowed all the students, computers, ECE, EEE and all, right? And Quest Global also very good company, 15 students. Infosys also in the sheet, 31 students they have taken. And Toshiba also some 2 students. And you see Zensa Technologies around 12 students. New V around 11 students. Q Spider around 3 student 28 students. And Innovatia 3 students. L&T Tobro is 4 students. And then Goods to Company, you can see he's a Bosch around 8 students, which is good option for electronics, electrical and the mechanical students. And further if you move, you see L&T, another second drive, 7 students. UiPath is an IT services robotics company, very good company, 1 student. And then CodeNest around 5 students at the last, and the Continental Automotive also 3 students, right? And the most of them are the electronics students, right? So here also you see good number of students from electronics, computers, ISC, and most of the branches except civil. There are also some 7 to 8 students in this particular sheet you can see. So that's a quite a decent placement. So 42 companies I have covered here till. And if you further move, you see on this is the 7, 8 to 9 more companies, which is say Wind Power, 1 student. Ace Designers around 5 students. You have a GL Communications around 2 students. Tal Tech around 4 students. And Global Quest around 1 student. Bharat Electronics Limited, which is basically Government of India, and 7 students, and all those 7 are from CSC department. So that's what quite good placement. And in the bottom of the sheet you also see the highest salary is 11 lakhs. Highest salary is with the company called UiPath, and this year highest salary was 11 lakhs with the computer science student, and average salary is 4.5 lakhs. And now coming to the branch wise placement. So the first column you see is the ECE, 97 students got placed, which is quite excellent. And computer science engineering CSC, 191 students got placed, very good option. And then you see 58 for information science engineering, which is also good. And then 71 students of mechanical got placed, so that is the fourth best option. And some you see students of civil around 18, and some IP and the smaller branches you see 2 students, and EEE around 25 students. So overall if you see in the right column, last column, 489 offers are there. So 489 offers are quite decent for, it's a seat matrix is not very heavy, and the number of seats in this college is quite low compared to the colleges which are in Bangalore or private university which has large number of seats. This college has a lesser number of seats, so 78% placement is what has happened as per the college, which is quite good. So out of 550 to 600 students, 489 students already got placed, and I have shown you highest salaries as 11 lakhs. UiPath, and average salary 4.5 lakhs, and last year the highest salary was 15 lakhs. That's all I have to cover, and thanks for watching, and please do subscribe channel to get similar important updates, and take care.